I'm Cristam Dodoy Silibisitubal, artist and achievement license from San Joaquin, Iloilo. Ilonggo kasi ako no? So yung sa Iloilo, let's accept the fact na maraming seaman na Ilonggo. No? So I've been influenced by mga neighbors, may Joey na seaman, may mga pinsan, and then you go with the flow. Ginusto ko na talaga maging seaman. Wow, I started 1998 as a cadet. No, it took me like 3 ships pa na average 9 months as a cadet before I took the examination as a third mate. For 5 ships as third mate, and after that a second mate or 3 ships, and then naging chief mate. Paiba-iba ang struggle, paiba-iba ang command ng trabaho, no? Kasi pag bago ng position mo, babago din ang responsibility. If you're Filipino and a Filipino seaman at that, no, na pag ayusin mo yung trabaho mo, na at least proud ka, you tend to receive some commendation sa ibang lahi na, oy, Filipino ka. So parang proud ka na Filipino ka, na seaman ka. COVID came, parang na-seal yung decision to stay, no? Kasi parang mahirap na sa barko no? Yung nagdagdag na yung mga trabaho, paperwork, tapos na may COVID pa na pressure, and then I came to embrace na lang, okay lang pala sila sa Pilipinas. In reality, somebody has to retire, somebody has to replace someone, no? So for me, parang maganda na, parang prepare mo yung way sa mga new bridge. 2 companies offered me to be a shipboard training officer. Anong trabaho niyan? You came on board and mga 8 or 6 na mga deck cadets yung kasama ko. So I tend to teach on board with them. So parang piniprepare mo sila na in the future they will become officers also. So yan ang kinaganda nun, na hindi ka lang sa profession mo, sticks as being a seafarer, pero nag-prepare mo yung papalit sa inyo. No, na may train sila na maging better seaman in the future. Actually, as early as maliit pa ako, elementary. And then, nang sumakay ako, I think mga 2018 nag-start na, nagdadala na talaga ako ng drawing book, no? Yung mga sketch pad. And then during my free time, and then I sketch. And I had my first solo sa Museum of Philippine Economic Museum ng NHCP. So in-invite ko nila na pwede ako doon nagsimula sa actually it opened last year, September 28, in time din ng Maritime Month, no? It is called the Soul Sailing, Sailing Soul, no? So it is an art installation currently on exhibit at the Museum of Philippine Maritime History by NHCP. So it is an installation of souls, yung swelas ng sapatos, no? So pinapalutan ko siya, and then it's worn by the seafarers because ito yung pinagtatapon nila, ma'am, sa training center. Yung mga sira-sira na natapunin, iniipon ko yan, no? And then ginawan ko ng installation, tapos may panyo ang layag niya, nilagay ko sa soul, tapos may mga picture ng mga seaman, no? So nagsisend sila sa akin, then yung parang yan ang pinaka-contribution ko sa kanila. So it's still there until now, yung parang tribute sa kanila yun. Yung panagaan natin, yung maritime treasures natin, no? Yung mga karagatan, at saka yung maritime, yung mga seaman, no? Bigyan din natin sila ng parangal or kunting papasalamat na contribution nila, na nainangat nila yung hindi lang ekonomiya, kundi yung tingin ng mundo sa Pilipinas. Ako si Cristam Dodoy Silibisitubal, proud Pinoy at